So is that your bird?
Falconer.
Yeah. Oh, I thought you were going to fly one this year. You're not going to fly one?
No, the other one that older than this.
Oh, okay. So. Oh, so that's a. Wow, that is a little dinky guy. Yeah, yours is a. Oh. Yeah.
He's doing all right. He just doesn't have the stamina to hunt for a long time, which sucks. And he's a big ass bird, so unless he's up high, coming off the fist is hard.
Your bird's huge.
This is a Wisconsin bird.
Really? I just put food on the moon every day.
Hey.
He looks good.
Looks a little different than in that motel room, huh?
Yeah. So, I mean, I've been bagging my pheasants every day. And he's a little guy. But still caught jackrabbits. Yeah, until, mid-season he got kicked off enough where he said, fuck that. The first jack he seen, the only one the other day, he baited at it. I held him. I saw these pheasants creeping up ahead of me, so Jack got up, I held him, and he baited at it. Yeah.
37 ounces?
Right, Anthony? Yeah. That's dark. Yeah.
Wow.
Female too? That's from the fight? Well, I was there.
More fishing?
That's the little brown dog is Lady and one of my puppies.
So what's the story on this goshawk?
This goshawk is a North American Siberian hybrid.
Okay.
Out of Lou's breeding project.
Uh-huh.
37 days old. He's doing well.
Yeah. Over here, girl. Girl, right?
No,
Tersel?
a male.
So a tersel with that big of feet.
That's the Siberian coming out.
Holy mackerel. See that? That's a tersel there, Nevada bird. And little dinky feet. Yeah. Siberian, North American. How are these molts? What color do they end up?
The males usually end up very bluish.
Okay.
Bluish, more like the North American than the
Siberian.
Siberian.
Okay.
Which the female, the white is dominant.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm
Is that
excited to see
is
what
that
it
right?
works out, actually.
Yeah.
Oh.
Then you always wonder what the chest stripes are going to look like
Right.
too, right?
Yep.
Because I remember Anthony's bird Dexter was half Finnish and half North American, and I was thinking, wow, there's a good chance that it might molt out like an American, and it didn't. It molted out like the Finnish.
Very nice.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you.
There you are. North American Siberian. That's my Lulu. Yep.
Oh wow.
For kelp.
Jeez.
This is squeaky. Good, how are you? Good, I'm Mike. Mike, I shake your hand, but her first ride she puked, so I don't think you want.
No problem. You got a spot out there?
Yeah, I already have a.
There's a green bucket. There's water over here.
So the Siberian American, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what the males look like too.
Yeah. And they molt out gray though, not white.
Apparently.
Yeah. So what'd you name it, Anthony?
Sir, you've never been on a block bird before.
I know, but I got that text from you last night.
Yeah, I was gonna name it El Chapo. El Chapo. You know what this one's name is? What? Visuchi. Lucky in Russian.